Next is the customer's loyalty. Now, the customer's loyalty, this is a page we reward customers for their loyalty. The first thing we want to do, if you look here, we can look at position ranking. Position ranking shows us our top spending customers for a particular period of time. Then we have loyalty reward. This is where we reward such customers if we want to reward them. Then here we have the date range, where we set in the date. The setting, this is where we set our loyalty reward. So I'm going to go ahead and set the loyalty reward by clicking on setting. Now you can see here it's telling you amount, and you have two columns, amount and amount point. So I can say for every 1,000 the customer spent, he's going to be getting 10%. So I'll fill in here 1,000. For every 1,000, give this customer 10% in form of naira. That's 10 naira. Give this customer a loyalty reward of 10 naira. And once I hit on save, it's going to work with that instruction that I've given, that for every 1,000 naira a customer spend, he has a loyalty balance of 10 naira. Next, we're going to be looking at positioning ranking. So let's see how the positioning ranking works. I'll select positioning ranking, and I'm just going to select from 1st of January. Let's say 1st of January till today's on the 7th, and I'll click on search. Now this is a positioning ranking for the month from 1st of January to on the 7th of May. What does the positioning ranking does? It shows you the list of customers, top customers who have invested in your business. So if you look at this list, we have 7 customers listed here. These are the 7 customers who have patronized us in the month of January till the month of May 7th. You can now see that top on the list here is Effect. Effect has spent a total amount of 47,100, followed closely by JTPOS, who has invested 40,000 naira so far, and you have Samuel here, who have spent 36,200. So it goes down to the last customer. So with this, you can now know those who have invested, how much each customer has patronized you with for a given period of time. If you're to give out gift, this now guides you on what to give to each customers. This can be done maybe monthly or yearly, as the case may be. We are going to be looking at the next feature, which is loyalty reward. This is where we reward our outstanding customer. So I'll click on loyalty reward. Then I will also select from 1st of January to today's date on the 7th. Now this is a table showing all the customers who have patronized us from 1st of January to on the 7th of May. So if you look at the first customer here, this customer bought item worth 3,500, and his loyalty amount was 35 naira, dollar, whatever is the currency that you are making use of, and his gifted amount, which is 35 naira, has been paid into his account. So you can make direct payment to the customer's account, which they can now use to buy, which they can now use for their next or subsequent purchase. That is what has happened for all these customers. But when we come to Effects and Samuel, you can see that Effects has patronized us to the sum of 35,000. That is this month, and also Samuel has done the same of 36,200. Their loyalty amount has not been calculated, and also their gifted amount has not been calculated, and they have not been paid. So what we're going to be doing now, we want to calculate the loyalty amount for Effects and Samuel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be selecting, since I'm going to select the date range, and this is this month, so I'll just select May 1st to May 7th, and I'll search. It's going to bring out the customers who have patronized us for the month of. So I'm going to select loyalty from 1st So to calculate the loyalty amount and gift amount for these two customers, I'll just come and select loyalty reward. Then I'll select 1st of May to on the 7th of May. Hopefully it can be at the end of the month. If you want to do this monthly, quarterly, or yearly, it works perfectly well. So I'll just select on the 7th. Then I'll click on search, and what has happened here, it has selected the customers for the month of May who have patronized us for the month of May. So we have Ifrex and Samuel. So what I'm going to do, firstly, I'll calculate their loyalty amount. So I'll enter the date range, that's on the 1st. I want to calculate for customers from on the 1st to on the 7th. Once I've done that, I'll click on the select here to select them. And once I've done this, I can now hit on calculate loyalty. And you can see that loyalty rewards calculated and updated successfully. I'm going to click on OK. So if I select that loyalty reward, if I select from on the 1st to on the 7th of May and I click on search, you're going to see that their loyalty amount has been calculated. This is a gifted amount and it has not been paid. So the calculation has been done correctly. So loyalty amount for Ifrex is 350 naira, dollar, whatever is your currency. And that for Samuel is 362 and it's not paid. So how do we pay them? To pay them, I'll just click on them this way and hit on my pay button. So once I click on the pay button, they are definitely going to be paid. So you can see that update successfully. This amount has been paid to their various accounts. So if we come to loyalty reward and we select from on the 1st to on the 7th of May and click on search, you will see that it is now showing the gifted amount is now 0. Why? It has been paid, and the payment status here is showing paid. So let's go check the account balance for Samuel, which is JT65. So if I come to customer and I select customer, if I come to customer's account and I go to that of Samuel, look for Samuel, you can see that that amount of 362 naira has been paid. Same as also happened to Ifrex, which has been added to his formal balance. So Samuel now has a balance of 362 naira, which he can use for subsequent purchase. Then let's go back to customers loyalty. The next thing we want to do, I'll still select customers loyalty, select the date range from on the 1st to on the 7th, then I'll click on search. The next thing we can also do is we can now generate gift cards for these customers. How do we generate the gift card? I'll select them and click on the generate gift card icon. If I click on this, it is going to generate gift card for these two customers. So here's a gift card for Ifrex and also Samuel that can be printed and forwarded out to them. You can now call your customers and inform them of their loyalty amount, or you can print this out and send it to your customers if that goes well with you. To print this out for sending, you just click on print gift cards. It's going to print these gift cards out. So here we go. These are the gift cards that are ready to be printed. So for those two customers, irrespective of the number of customers, it is going to generate their gift card for them that you can print and send to them, maybe on WhatsApp, or you can also send it on whatever way you want to send it.
Features: track multiple customer orders efficiently, provide clear invoices, charge per item, store customer details, offer repeat service discounts, accept cash, POS, transfers, check, manage costs and monitor revenue growth. You can choose between the offline and online version. You can access it on your phones. Monitor the general activities of your business from the admin panel. Perform backup and restore and lots more. Get a customized quote today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe now for more software demos. Contact us for pricing and demo. YouTube, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. WhatsApp, +2348130441827. Email, jtechnologysolutions@gmail.com. Facebook, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. Don't wait, take your business to the next level with JTPOS software.